Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The appearance will mostly rely on the body shop or moderator that converts the standard GMC Savana. GMC does not formally manufacture the Savana Motorhome as a full vehicle. We can talk about typical external features seen in GMC Savana Motorhome conversions, though. The boxy design of the GMC Savana van will not change, providing a spacious cabin. A high ceiling made of fiberglass or aluminum is sometimes added to provide a pleasant standing area inside and to make place for more storage or an additional bed above. Composite materials for roofs and additions that are stronger but lighter. Windows with more aerodynamic designs or those with simple frames. Solar panels that are thin and flush with the roof. LED lighting that is more fashionable and efficient, more contemporary exterior, back, and front lighting designs. Some adaptations could employ tires with a different profile, all-terrain tires, for instance, if they are made for mild off-road excursions, or swap out the factory rims for more aesthetically pleasing ones. There are nearly always retractable awnings, either electric or manual, to provide shade outside. Clean lines, muted hues, and multi-purpose furniture that can be folded or concealed to maximize space are characteristics of contemporary interior design trends. Environmentally friendly materials and lighter materials to lower vehicle weight will gain popularity. Centralized electrical, lighting, and temperature management system that can be accessed using a smartphone app or touchscreen. More clever and concealed storage that makes use of every available area. Changing the hue and intensity of the lighting may produce a variety of emotions. Improved connectivity features include wireless charging, USB ports, and interaction with infotainment systems. More ergonomic seating arrangements for more comfortable long-distance travel. More interior customization choices are probably available from bodybuilders based on client preferences. The engine used will depend on the GMC Savana base model the body shop or modification choose to use as the basis for the conversion. According to the most recent data available for the 2026 model year, the following engine options are expected to be used in a GMC Savana Motorhome conversion. 4.3 liters V6 engine with standard rear-wheel drive RWD, 8-speed automatic gearbox, 276 horsepower, 205 kilowatts, and 298 pounds-ft, 400 Newton-meters of torque. A powerful 8-speed automatic gearbox, a 6.6 V8 engine with 401 horsepower, 299 kilowatts, 464 pounds-ft, 629 Newton-meters of torque, and standard rear-wheel drive RWD are all included.